Hi Robert, this is Garrett Kulsick at Taylor & Son Chevrolet in Sandpoint, Idaho. Today we're going to be looking at our 2007 Ford F250 Crew Cab King Ranch. This truck has 139,000 miles on it. It's in good shape. Mechanically it's sound. It does have a little bit of rust damage on the body, and I'll zoom in on that here for you. Right on the back of the cab there's a little bit of rust and corrosion here. And a little bit running here along the fender flare. It's probably the worst of it right there. There's also a little bit of rust here on the corner. Tailgate's in good shape. Another rust spot here on the rear quarter. Pretty clean up top. This side of the cab is clean, no rust. A few minor imperfections here. A rock chip there. A little bit of a scuff here along the side of the molding. Wheels are in good shape, no corrosion or a little bit of an imperfection here on the grill, but not too many chips or dings or dents that I can see up front. The windshield is free of any chips or cracks. We can go underneath the truck here and look a little harder underneath the wheel wells. A little bit of corrosion and surface rust, but overall not too bad. Hopefully you can see that it's pretty tidy underneath. No seeps or leaks of any kind. I can take more detailed photos of that too if you desire them. I know it's hard to see in the video sometimes. Interior's in good shape. This being a King Ranch, it has the buckskin leather, power seats, heated seats, cruise control, on the fly 4-wheel drive, power rear window, power sunroof, quite a few auxiliary ports there, trailering brake control, 6-disc changer. This truck has a lot of options for a 2007, about everything offered. Now this is interesting. This has the rear bucket seats instead of the standard bench that you'd see more commonly. Seats are in great shape. Look like they've never been sat in. King Ranch emblems, nice touch. This truck is free of any pet odor or smoke odor. It's quite nice inside. Kind of get a shot here from underneath in the back. Again, nice and tidy. You have a liner, a turnover ball in the middle there. This tonneau cover's nice. It's a soft top, but it's got the nice framing in it so it stays sturdy. These Cooper tires are close to brand new. I'd say 80% or better. I'll go ahead and pop the hood for you. Take a look at that Triton V10. Nice and clean underneath the hood. You can tell this has been a well cared for rig. And that concludes our walk around video on our 2007 Ford F250 King Ranch Super Duty. Thank you for your interest.